Hey students, how are you all? Hope you all are keeping well. Okay, in the last three previous classes, we discussed about the summary of the story, three questions that was written by Leo Tolstoy. I hope everything is clear for you. Okay, so today we're gonna start with our English textbook Honeycomb. Those who have textbook, please take page number 7. Those who have the textbook, please take page number 7. So, shall we start? Okay. Lesson 1, 3 questions, and this story was written by Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy. In the previous class, I already explained about the author. 3 questions. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. These 3 things were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? So, in the previous class itself, I already told that the king had 3 questions. Can you remind which all are the 3 questions? Yes, the first one is, what is the right time to do something? And the second one is, which people should he listen to? And the third one is, what is the most important thing him for to do? So, these are the 3 questions that the king had. And he was in search of the answer. The king thought that if he got answers for these 3 questions, he will never fail in his life. He will never fail in his kingdom. So the king was in search of these answers for the 3 questions. The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. So the king was in search of the answers for his 3 questions, and he also sent many messengers throughout the kingdom, and he also sent many messengers throughout the hall, many different places to get the answer for his 3 questions. And the king also promised a large amount of money as reward. Those who are seeing the answer, they will get this reward. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Many people came from different places. Many people came from different kingdoms, different places, and they also gave different answers too. And one of the answer he got was, king should prepare a timetable and he should strictly follow that. The king should need a timetable and the king should follow that strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. So some people told that if king follows the timetable, he could get the right time. He can do anything in the right time if he follows the timetable. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on. And some others told that it is impossible to decide in advance what was the right time to do something. Some people told that it was impossible. It is not possible to do it in advance. We cannot plan anything in advance to do the right thing in right time. And the king was watching all these things, and he was watching everything. He was listening to all the answers. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. Avoid foolish pleasures and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. And some people told that avoid all the foolish pleasures and do what was necessary. Only give importance to the necessary things and avoid all the foolish things, all the foolish pleasures, and only just focus on the things that was important or necessary. And some people told that. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. And some told that the king need help of a council. What do you mean by this council? Council is a group of people that was chosen to give advice or to make rules in the kingdom. So, some told that king should listen to the council members. Council members means councillors. The king should listen to the council or the council members. Some told this. This was because one man would find it possible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action. Some told that the king should listen to the councillors, the council, because a single man was not able to do a perfect thing or a right thing at a particular time, at a right time. So, king should need the support of a group of people. That means the councillors. So, king should listen to the councillors. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The king thereafter would have to go to the magicians. But some people told that it is not possible to listen to the councillors, because if we need a urgent decision for a thing or a right moment at a right thing, we can't listen to the councillor because it took too much time for getting the answer, right? Some told that king should go to the magicians because king, you should look into the future. You should look into the future, then you can see the right time to do something. There you can find the right time. But only magicians could do that. So, king, you should go to a magician. King got many answers for his first question. What is the right time to do something? Shall we remind? What is the right time to do something? The first answer the king got was, king must prepare a timetable. King must prepare a timetable and he should strictly follow that. Thus, he can do the right thing at the right time. And the second answer he got was, impossible to decide in advance. It is impossible to decide in advance the right time to do something. It is impossible. It is not able to decide in advance. And the third answer, avoid foolish pleasures and do necessary things. The king should avoid all the foolish things, foolish pleasures, and instead he should only focus on only the necessary things, needed things. And the fourth answer the king got was, king should listen to the council. King should listen to the council, thus he can do the right thing. What do you mean by this council? Council means a group of people chosen to give the right advice or to make rules. And the king should listen to the council or the councillors. The members in the council is called as councillors. And the last answer he got was, look into the future. Look into the future. When you look into the future, you will came to know the right thing to do, right time to do. And only magicians can do that. So king must go to the magicians. So these are the answers he got for the first question.